Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your search engine in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome, tap on the top right corner on these three little dots, then open the settings. If you scroll down here, the first thing after the basics will be the search engine. Tap on the search engine, and here you can select to search on Google, Yahoo, Bing, or others. And by tapping on them, you selected. And if you're searching for something, for example, you are searching in Yahoo. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.